Today, we will show you how to remove, clean, and reinstall the disc of your Neo Series trainer. To do this, you will need a Tacx Neo 2T disc extractor, 4mm and 5mm Allen keys. First, use the 5mm Allen key to remove the nut that secures the cassette body. Once the nut is removed, slide the cassette body off the axle. Then, remove the black ring on the axle. Use the 4mm Allen key to remove every other disc bolt, leaving 3 disc bolts in place. Now it is time to install the Neo extractor tool. Position the extractor tool so that the holes line up with where the disc bolts were removed. Then insert and tighten the disc bolts. You will now need to extract the disc. Use the wrench and tighten the bolt. Tighten the bolt until you're able to slide it off the Neo trainer. Once the disc is removed, examine the magnets on the inside of the disc. Small metal particles can become stuck to the magnets. Remove any metal particles. Now with a clean cloth, wipe the inside of the disc and the magnets. Make sure that there are no particles on the magnets. It is now time to reinstall the disc back onto the Neo trainer.
Hold the bolt and make sure to keep your fingers clear of the edges of the disc. The magnets are strong and can pull the disc in quickly.
Hold the bolt and rotate the disc until they are aligned. Remove the extractor tool from the disc. Then, reinstall the remaining disc bolts. Reinstall the black ring onto the axle. Finally, reinstall the cassette body and tighten the nut to secure it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.